Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD JPY mildly positive beyond 106.50 following downbeat Tokyo CPI http ntvforex.com news ID 8D482C 2 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. USD JPY pays a little heed to inflation numbers from Tokyo. Tokyo CPI eases to 0.3% versus 0.8% forecasts. Core CPI reversed 0.3% expectations with 0.3% figures. Market sentiment remains positive following Fed Chair Powell's speech. Chatters concerning the U.S. stimulus, virus updates will join news from the Jackson Hole Symposium for immediate direction. USD JPY stays on the front foot around 106.65, up 0.10% on a day, following the release of the Tokyo Consumer Price Index CPI during the early Friday. Even if the data received no major reaction, downbeat outcomes join the risk-on mood to propel the yen pair further towards the north. Not only the headline CPI data that missed the forecast and prior by flashing 0.3% mark, the ex-fresh food CPI, mostly known as core CPI, also joins the line with 0.3% numbers. Furthermore, the ex-food and energy CPI data lagged below 0.5% market consensus and 0.6% prior with 0.1% actual. Read NBSP Japanese Tokyo CPI YoY 0.3% EXP 0.6% previous 0.6%, yen unchanged. Fed Chair adds to the risk on mood following Federal Reserve Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's readiness to offer the average inflation targeting 8. A move that will result in prolonged low interest, market sentiment buoyed amid hopes of further easy money. Also adding to the upbeat mood are chatters concerning the U.S. coronavirus COVID-19 stimulus package. Recent updates concerning the key issue suggest House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's sustained favor to cut the Democratic demand to somewhere in the middle of $2.2 trillion. Additionally, news that Japan's Prime Minister PM Shinzo Abe is planning to provide the virus vaccine for the entire nation offers additional strength to the market optimism. Amid all these catalysts, news like China bans Aussie bin again and the noise surrounding TikTok gets fewer audiences. As a result, the S&P 500 futures nears the record high that teases 3,500. Looking forward, traders will keep eyes on the risk catalysts amid a lack of major data events in Asia. However, the broad risk-on mood can keep the quote on the positive side unless whether any worrisome comments roll out of Wyoming or the U.S. data mark heavy declines. Technical analysis: an upward sloping trend line from July 1, at 106.70 now, followed by a 100-day SMA level of 107, could keep exerting downside pressure on the quote. Though, sellers are less likely to be convinced unless the quote slips below the monthly support line, currently around 105.55. Additional important levels overview: today last price 106.64, today daily change 0.65, today daily change percent 0.61%, today daily open 105.99, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 105.99, daily SMA 50 106.56, daily SMA 100 107.04, daily SMA 200 108.01, NBSP levels: previous daily high 106.56, previous daily low 105.96, previous weekly high 106.68, previous weekly low 105.1, previous monthly high 108.16, previous monthly low 104.19, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 106.19, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 106.33, daily pivot point S1 105.78, daily pivot point S2 105.57, daily pivot point S3 105.18, daily pivot point R1 106.38, daily pivot point R2 106.77, daily pivot point R3 106.98, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, Text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.